Social care is vital to many people in Wales, but it's often misunderstood. What does social care do? It's a broad term that describes care and support, enabling people of all ages to manage their day-to-day lives, often when they're facing difficult and complex challenges. Social care support can include advice, connecting people with local communities, establishing safe and stable living environments, and providing personal care. It also provides emotional support for people to manage their physical and/or mental health. Unpaid carers can access support too. Accessing social care. There are 22 local authorities in Wales who play a key role in organising and connecting people with the right care and support. Local authorities use an assessment process to understand people's strengths and care and support needs. They assess whether people's needs are eligible for local authority support and funding, with some individuals required to pay towards their social care services. Across Wales, more than 1 in 50 people have a care and support plan, which sets out what matters to them and how they will be supported to achieve their personal well-being outcomes. Who provides social care in Wales? More than 300,000 unpaid carers provide care and support across Wales. They can be any age, are often family members or friends, and can also access social care support for themselves. Over 1,200 organisations provide social care services in Wales. Most are private businesses or third sector organisations, for example charities. These organisations employ more than 84,000 care and support workers. Local authorities can provide people with payments towards the cost of their care and support. These are called direct payments, and many people use them to employ their own social care workers. How are high standards maintained across social care in Wales? Regulation. In Wales, social care services are regulated by Care Inspectorate Wales. They register, inspect, and take action to improve the quality and safety of services. Most social care workers are regulated by Social Care Wales. This means they must register, achieve specific qualifications, and follow codes of professional practice. Legislation. Social care services are bound to national legislation, such as the Social Services and Wellbeing Wales Act 2014. The Act ensures that services work with people accessing care and support to identify what matters to them. Social care organisations also work with partners such as the police, health, education, housing, and charities to make the best use of resources. The person accessing care and support must remain at the heart of the process. To find out more about social care, visit socialcare.wales. Want a career in care? Visit wecare.wales.